So yeah, first of all, you see Docker Desktop for Linux. So we at Dockercon released a couple of cool things, and one of them is Docker Desktop for Linux. Second one is extensions, which allows you to integrate your favorite tooling into Docker Desktop. And what you're seeing here is Flappy Dock, which is basically one of the games available, and like one of our colleagues took the original game, changed the bird into Moby Dock, and integrated with the extension SDKs inside Docker Desktop. And if you get a high score, you win a T-shirt.
Hi! I'm number 1, and not only that, my score is 13.
Right, go on then. Let's give it a go. Here we go.
Okay.
And I didn't have a chance to go to when I go to. Oh, rubbish.
Yeah.
See you, Ziva.
See you.